all my 6th grade friends. We are going to try to do an art criticism using Cami, which is what all of my 7th and 8th graders do, but I haven't tried it out with you guys yet. So I'm gonna do this little video to explain. My cat stopped attacking me a little bit. To explain, how we actually do all of those steps. So the first, okay, fine. You're gonna go over here. The first thing that you're going to do is click this where it says Art Criticism 2. And it'll bring you to the screen. Now it says watch video below. Well, hopefully you're already there watching this video. But underneath that is the picture of the artwork we're going to be talking about. It has the name of the artist, the title of the artwork, and the date right on the top there. If you keep scrolling down past this rubric here, there'll be this button that says Open Assignment with Cami. You're going to click that. If that doesn't work, so just pop back over. It also gives you a download that you can do instead. But it's going to pop you over to Cami. Now you're probably going to get a sign in with Google kind of a thing. Go ahead and accept all of that. Link it with your Google Drive and everything so that it saves properly for you. It'll do this lovely importing, blah, 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 blahs. Eventually. Okay, good. So now this is your screen. You'll see as you kind of swing around, it gives you these little boxes to type in. So all the things that we normally write by hand in class, you can now type in on this same form. So the first thing we always do is write the title of the artwork here, right above our big picture. If I flip back over here and scroll back up, it says my title here, The Gray Tree. So I pop back over, I'd write The Gray Tree right here. I'm going to go down to the bottom. There's now 2 spaces. One is for the artist name and one is for the date. Again, popping back over, Pete Mondrian in 1912. So I'd put Pete Mondrian and 1912. And then I'd scroll back up here, describe. You need to list 3 things that you see in this artwork. Over here it says line and value. I want you to tell me what type of lines you see there and what different values you see. If you are unsure about this, I added our note packet to the very top of our materials page. You can go back through, kind of reread the notes to figure out what you should be writing about right there. So use some vocab terms explaining what type of line and what values you see. Are they light values, dark values, tones, tints, shades? Use some vocab words. This next box down here says, why are the lines of the tree painted like this? So normally in class I would show you this whole big slideshow about Pete Mondrian and how he started with these. Actually, let me pause for a second. Alright, and I'm back. I found the thing I was going to show you. I might as well just show you it right here. So this is the image that we're working with right now. Now, Mondrian could paint realistic trees. He was classically trained. He knew how to do it real. So why is he choosing to do it like this is kind of the question. This is the beginning of his change in style. So he started with realistic trees that had flowers and branches and leaves and all that stuff, and eventually settled into this style, which eventually became this style, and then this style, and then this style, and then he's most popularly known for this kind of an artwork, where he has those primary colors only in black and white, and the trees are now literally just grids. He's taken away all of the detail. So what is it about doing art this way? Like, why does he want to lose all the detail? What is he still showing? And why might that be important? Why would he be focusing on that? So I want you to kind of come up with a theory. As long as you explain what your opinion is, you get full points on it. So don't panic. Be like, I don't know what the right answer is. It's art. Sometimes there's not one right answer. So if I get out of this one and go back to our lovely screen here. So that's what you're writing right over here. Just one little sentence. Why do you think he'd paint a tree like that? What's the point? The last section here, you can either check this box, you can make a little type in there and write an X, or type over here and write an X. It says based on formalism. Did he use the elements of art? So did he use line and value well in this artwork? If it's a happy face, then yes, he did. If it's an unhappy face, then no, he didn't. In order to turn in this assignment, there's this lovely button right up here. It says turn in. If you click it, there's another blue button. Now, I don't want to do that because it's going to submit it weird on my computer because I'm a teacher and it's going to yell at me because I'm not a student in the class that I'm trying to submit things into. But you're going to click the blue button. So turn in there, turn in at the blue button, and then it's going to bring you back over to Schoology, and it'll give you a little pop-up that says like submit, and you have to click submit. So it's kind of an annoying process. Turn in, submit, and then it'll send it to me and I can see what you wrote. And that's it.